channel. Today we are going to play Bunchems. Look at this. See, if you want to stick it on, you can look like this. See? If you want to take it off, you just do that. And then let's open it now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, come on. Whoa! These are the eyes. Look at the, oh my god. Look at that go. Hey, ah!
Yeah.
Got the instructions. Oh, this tells you what to do. Let's start building. I'm gonna do a castle. This is what we got in Bunchems packet. Great. I'm just doing any colours I want. Yeah, me too. I'm just doing red and green. I'm copying that, but whatever colours I want, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm doing rainbow. Like what my colours. Mine too. So I'm making a castle. So I'm making the top of the castle first. No, I'm making a car. Yeah, actually I'm making a car. I'll show you what it looks like after I finish all of this. Yeah, so you can look at my brother. I'm making a house and it looks the coolest. So I'm making it cooler. I'm making a castle. Yeah, I'm making a castle as well. I'm doing the circle bits now. Yeah, I'm doing the castle and it's going to be a little cooler. I made a house and look at my house and I got an English bag right here and look at this. He got the house and this is his house. So hello house. I made a castle, I made a window, I made a door. As you can see, I was struggling with it and I couldn't balance. So I needed to use something to balance it and then I got balance. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Comment down below and tell us who is the best. Bye. Thank you for watching this vlog.